Hi, this is Dr. Satcher again, and I'm going to address another question about stress. People wanted to know, are there different types of stress? There are many different types of stress and stress-related disorders and diseases. I often talk about trauma as a big T trauma or a small t trauma. And I talk about often post-traumatic stress disorder and other intense diagnoses such as anxiety stress, or chronic stress. PTSD is a complex mental health diagnosis, and it's best made by a mental health professional. And it's usually suspected when people are having behavior problems that interfere with their home life or their work life. And there are many different types of symptoms and behaviors that go along with PTSD. Other diagnoses that often come along with PTSD are depression, anxiety, attention deficit, obsessive compulsive disorder, addiction disorders, panic disorder, brain injuries. It's something that's often overlooked by clinicians depending on their comfort level is ancestral trauma and or race-based trauma. The patient has to be asked about these possibilities, and often the patient does not understand what it is and hasn't heard about it. For example, most African American families have been exposed over a number of years to race-based trauma, but may not understand that they are at risk. Many survivors of the Holocaust, slavery, atrocities to the Native American tribes in the US and in South America and Middle America are unaware of ancestral trauma because some have, or they are aware because some have received acknowledgement or compensations. However, African Americans have not received compensations.